During the summer, somehow this home furnace pressure switch has accumulated some water. For some reason, it is not drained out. This is what is causing the problem of furnace not turning on. You will get to hear a water gargling sound, and you never get to know until the fall gets in. When the temperature dips to below 50 and 40s, you really want to get the heat, and then the heat doesn't turn on. There are certain things that you can really do, such as opening up the furnace and then trying to take a look at it. In my case, we had a problem similar to this last time. The technicians came in and removed the pressure switch and then drained all the water and refixed it back, and then boom, the heat was back. So I tried to do the similar thing and it worked out. So I just wanted to share. I first turned off the main switch that is going to the home furnace. Come down, remove the panel of the home furnace. There are four screws that are attached into that, as you see. Look at the home furnace pressure switch, unscrew them, pull it out, and drain the water. Once you have done that, refix it back as it was. The furnace would be back on with heat.